Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel for another video. So at this point, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know which is my favorite. They are all turning out amazing. Tell me which is your favorite. Tell me what color you want to see next. I have another interesting color palette today. And you know that I'm doing shades of a color with a black base background. So I am gonna show you the painting from my previous video. It dried beautifully. It did not move on me. It stayed put. And that's what we want to see, right? So let me go ahead and show you. Tell me what you think about this one and check her out. Look how gorgeous it turned out. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Isn't she pretty? I love it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. My paintings are available for purchase. Email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com if you're interested. And look at her. I can't stop looking at her. And I love the borders on these size canvases, so I'm going to continue to do that. You can put a saying up here, you can put your name, whatever you want I can do. So reach out, let me know what you would like, and it could be yours. Claim it. We're going to continue with the series, which I am having tons of fun with. I am really enjoying these color schemes and kind of monochrome colors and just different shades. It's beautiful. I'm gonna do another one today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I have new content. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for everyone that is joining me, watching, that has subscribed, those that pass by and just watch. Love to have you here. Love to see you here. Thank you so much for your time. So without further ado, I'm going to put this baby away. Look at her one more time. I'm going to put this baby away and we're going to go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone. So here we are. We are once again working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I have here, I'm flooding with my Flow Acrylic Black by Loft. And let me just quickly get the overhead light. That way we don't have at least that glare once I have the black down. Give me a moment. Okay, there we are. A lot better. So we're going to go ahead, flood our canvas. We'll be right back. So my canvas has been flooded. Now, let me go ahead and torch out a little more here. Okay. So today we are working with yellows. So the first color I am going to layer down is Pearl Canary Yellow by Arteza. And I'm going to continue with my same orientation here, just like that. And this is an interesting color, but I want to throw this color into at least in two tiers of this paint layering. So this is Fluorescent Yellow by Pebeo. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, so I'm going to layer it down now, and then I'll come back somewhere around the top as well. Okay. Next color I have Sunrise Yellow by Arteza. Tell me what color combination you'd like to see next. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I was tempted to do red. What do you guys think about red for my next video? Let me know. Now I have Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue by Winsor & Newton. That fluorescent yellow is like a highlighter yellow, which I love how it looks here. Now I have Pearlized Bright Gold by Master's Touch. Why not? And I think I'm going to do a little more of the fluorescent yellow right at the top here. Just lightly. A smidge more. As I go again, right? What a smidge. Okay. And then topping it off, I want to do Pearl Golden Hour by Arteza. Just like that. So those are my colors. Tell me what you think about this. Absolutely love how it looks down on the canvas. I'm gonna go ahead, torch out my air bubbles, and we torch out the air bubbles for those of you new watching to avoid pinholes as your paint dries. Okay, that's the reason why we torch out the air bubbles. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. And as you know, we're gonna start here in the middle. I love it. Absolutely love it. I love where I place that Master's Touch because I see the reaction coming through. Beautiful. I'm happy with the highlighter yellow. I can see the streaks coming through. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead, torch out just a little bit in some areas. I think I'm going to blow in here because I don't like that clump of color here. And this, the sunrise yellow in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just blow out a little bit there. Let's see. So I'm actually blowing it in to cover and make like a streak going down, which I'm happy with. Just like that. Beautiful. I think I like the composition. I'm happy with that. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, clean out my edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and isn't she a beauty? I absolutely love this one. Look at this. So bright, I'm going to go ahead and take you in. So take a look at those petals. Love, you can see the shades of yellows here. Look at that. Look at that first petal. Look how it branches out. Love the border that it has. And I love the kind of webbing or lacing at the edge here. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful cells. Look at the ginormous cells in there. Love the shine that it has. Check this out. Look at the streak of colors. It's a burst of brightness. I'm going to continue that line up higher there. And check this out. Look at the cluster of cells there. Beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what color you like to see next. These are fun. I love it. And see, right up here, I'm going to continue that line up. Just to kind of like deepen the color on the edge there. Or trace it over. So, thank you for joining me here at Floral Arts by Elsa. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.